Now continuing further with fish pathology culture system. This is part 2 of fish pathology, in which we are going to study about the culture system in which the modern fish or shrimp is farmed. The first is the intensive culture system, where the animals are raised in high density, intensively managed tank and pond. Then a semi-intensive system, where raised in moderate density in pond, cages or tanks with some management system. Extensive system, where grown in low density pond or pens in natural bodies of water. Hatcheries are part of intensive or semi-intensive culture system. What is pathology? Pathology is study of disease and their causative agent. Disease is what? Disease is a change in condition. That is, some change from normal metabolism is the combination of three factors, namely the animal, the environment, and the pathogen causative agent. Due to change in condition, some change from normal metabolism or activity of the animal. Causative agent are pathogens. There are two types of pathogen, that is obligate, and the second one is patho opportunistic. Obligate are due to presence in culture system due to their interaction between animal and environment, that is, for example, Aeromonas salmonicida. And the second is opportunistic, not cause disease even if present in culture system, commensal or does not term, that is, for example, Vibrio species in shrimps. Aeromonas salmonicida, that is Aeromonas hydrophila. It is a freshwater species universally present which cause disease where the condition is favorable. Stress. Selig in 1950 described the stress as sum of all physiological responses by which animal tries to maintain or re-establish a normal metabolism. Cellular stress response. Response to stress via changes in gene expression leading to upregulating of blood and tissue level or a group of protein called as heat shock protein. Heat shock protein also the integral to host defense against neoplasia and chronic pathogens. Principal route to development of vaccine. HPS, that is heat shock protein or extrinsic champignos, recognized in fruit fly. Factors causing stress. Temperature is the most important stressor affecting the balance between the fish and the host and environment. As temperature approaches its extreme, pathogenic invasion is likely to occur, especially at maximum temperature levels. Affect multiplication of microorganism, amount of dissolved oxygen in water, rate of excretion of metabolites, or most importantly, the host immune response. Anderson and Roberts showed that temperate and tropic teleosts have similar wounds healed in both species at similar rate when the temperature ranges overlap, while mountain cloud minnow and tropical species maximum rate of healing at top of its range over the Atlantic salmon. This was the about the pathology. What is pathology and the stress?